Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. App for That coming at you with another hot video. In this video, I want to show you a new app that I just stumbled across. It's called Primer by Google. And this app actually helps you to learn new skills. All right. Helps you to learn a lot of new skills. And I've already been on here before. So let me just show you the skills that you have to choose from. All right, we're going to go into change your skills here. So as you can see, look at this, guys. So you have agency management, website skills, email marketing, business management, digital marketing, video marketing. You have selling, guys, brand building. You have a lot of different categories in here, guys, where you can learn some valuable skills, marketable skills that you can make some money from. You know, even if you learn just a little bit, even if you know just a little bit more than the next person, you could be considered an expert. All right. So we're going to pick up where I left off at. Let me just show you what happens. We're going to go back to the beginning here. All right. So you see I already started. This is online advertising. And you just move these cards over. All right. And it'll show you some different situations where you can learn. So look at here. Imagine Dan owns a small business. Blah, blah, blah. All right. To promote it. So guys, this gets you thinking in the mindset of how like an email marketer or, digital advertising, how that will actually go in the real world. So anyway, guys, I don't want to take up much of your time, but feel free to check out this app, guys. Let me know. Let us know in the comments if you're going to use it. What would you use this for? Is there anything that you think they should add, or do you think some of these skills are actually good enough where you may be able to market and make a little money by having this specialized knowledge? So anyway, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and share the video, and we will be having a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. So be sure to check that out. And also be sure to check out more videos coming this week on how to make extra money, guys, how to make money during these times. All right. So make sure you check out and turn on those notifications so that you can, be the first in line to see those videos. All right. So that's about it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.